The first combustion engine was created in 1972 and look at the world now. Can you unsee the amazing supercars and all those big wheels carrying the supercars? Big trucks are one thing, but how would you feel about their smaller counterparts? Today's video would revolve around such 10 toy wheels with hefty engines. Let's race into it. Don't forget to like this video, hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon for more spooky content. Number 10. Peel P50. This little blue cherry is the smallest production car and is considered the holy grail for microcar collectors. Until today, there are only 50 P50 microcars produced between 1962 and 1965 by Peel Engineering Company, and they do not have a reverse gear. I guess the car is so tiny and light that you could just pick it up and turn it around. The cars have a 49cc 4-stroke engine and can reach top speed of 28 miles per hour. The car is a manual drive with just 3 gears, which makes sense as it can't go over 39. The car is just 54 inches long and 38 inches wide, weighing just 130 pounds. Okay, now you can literally pick it up and turn around anytime you wish. The car sold for $8,500 in their day, but they are worth a lot more now. In March of 2016, the same model was sold for $176,000 at an auction. However, only 27 out of the 50 original models are seen today. After the 50 years of their manufacturing, they were recognized as the smallest production car ever created by the Guinness World Records. Number 9. The Mini Kenworth Truck. These mini trucks are so cute and awesome at the same time. Whosoever said that kids can't drive before 18 is now proved wrong in all manners. In 2018, Irish company Scaled Rigs produced a series of these realistic toy trucks specially built for kids. The company sure is full of experienced and qualified engineers and manufacturers who are good with heavy machinery have built these little monsters, and look at the kids go with them. One of the amazing toys created by this company is the battery-powered Scania S730, designed and produced just like an original big truck. These toy trucks have 6 pneumatic tires, 24-volt electric motor drivetrain, working lights, and a functioning fifth wheel. The highest this toy can reach is 3.7 miles per hour. I don't want to sound kiddish and immature here, but I want one of these so bad. Number 8. Cricket. The vehicle is as fun as the name sounds. The vehicle gets its name Crick from the sound made by the insects crickets. It is a small homemade electric battery-powered airplane. The plane has 4 LiPo battery-powered 15cc motors. During flight, this allows the plane to reach the speed of 160 miles per hour. The airplane's first flight lasted just 7 minutes at an aviation show at Paris airport. Although reported by its pilot, J.J. Easton, it's smooth. The tiny machine weighs only 185 pounds and has a 16-foot wingspan. This Crick is based on a 1974 model that appeared in an issue of Air Progress magazine. It is very hard to tell from the images that this plane is capable of flying, and that too in full speed. Seems like a toy airplane to me though. Number 7. Badger Assault Tank. Look at this so small yet powerful toy tank. Doesn't look like a toy but an actual tank to me though. Well, it is obviously by a look of it that this machinery holds the Guinness World Record for being the smallest passenger tank on earth. Don't misinterpret the tank to be any less because of its size. It is an all-terrain tank which is capable of breaching buildings and breaking down doors. It can also withstand small blasts and large caliber rounds. Its outer shell is so hard and stiff, a handgun won't even damage the paintwork. This tank is actually designed by military veterans who make armored military-grade vehicles. This cute little thing was commissioned by the Civil Protection Services of California and is just 3 feet 3 inches wide. This sure adds to how this is a little beast and actually possesses the qualities to defend yourself. Astonishingly, it is used by a number of SWAT teams around the US. Number 6. The Bruges Mopetta. With a name like that, I don't want to even see the car. Just get me one and it is cool enough. Just 14 of the 3-wheeled little vehicles were ever made in the 1950s and there are just 5 till around to this day. Talking about its top speed, it goes about 30 miles per hour and has a handlebar rather than a steering wheel. The engine is a 50cc Allo V50 and the vehicle has just 3 gears. Well, this sure qualifies for a kid's vehicle as it's just 5 feet 9 inches in length, 3 feet and 8 inches high. This microcar weighs 187 pounds. It seems that the designer Egon Bruges was expecting a contract to build 140,000 of these cars, but the deal was cut off because the trend of big powerful cars began to rise and they thought who would buy a tiny car. The 5 still in existence, 2 are owned by Israel-based surgeon Dr. Sasha and looking forward to sell one of them at the auction. And the price is not so affordable but quite tells about how valuable the car is. It is between $102,000 to $136,000. Number 5. Honda Motocompo. The Honda Motocompo was quite famous in the 1980s, but it faded as the time passed. The Motocompo was a truck bike designed to be in the trunk of a Honda City or a Honda today. The bike comprises of a 49cc 2-stroke engine and a 2.5 horsepower. Obviously, it wasn't much of a speedster but weighed about only 99 pounds. The idea behind its manufacturing was that upon parking the car somewhere, the bike can be taken ahead for an extra mile. It is known as the smallest ever scooter and gives a look of a toy scooter. Number 4. The Revai. This electric car was subject to much hate, but I don't see any reason. This car was environmental friendly and compact. People loved the novelty tiny cars in the 60s and the 80s, but when the Revai was released in 2006, people were more used to speed. I guess it was not the right year for it to release. This mini vehicle has a range of just 40 miles and a top speed of 42 miles per hour. The interesting part is that you can actually plug in the charger to charge this car just like our smartphones. The company advertised that it could seat 2 adults and 2 children, but that is now people took it. Auto Express magazine labeled it the worst car ever made, claiming it had the performance of a sleepy bowl and the structural integrity of slippers. I think people went way too harsh about it. Number 3. Small-toe. Swedish man Tom Weber created the world's smallest motorbike and this is how it looks. I wish this was a joke, but how does that bike even work? Or does it even work? Small-toe is 1.55 inches in height, weighs 2.4 pounds and has a top speed of 1.4 miles per hour. I don't know if you will believe me on this, but it has an engine of horsepower of just 0.3. The bike looks so amusing that it had to make it to the list. All a rider can do on this bike is move forward. It has no brakes, no lights or gears or anything else. Regardless, Weber manages to ride the thing for 32.8 feet. If he didn't have a crate in his way, he may have gone further. Anyone up for a ride? Number 2. The Volksjager. This is named as the smallest jet fighter of all time. The Volksjager or People's Fighter came from the Nazi regime and was released as a cheap emergency lightweight fighter powered by just BMW 003 engine. The war effort was stretched by 1944, so it was imperative to produce something very cheap that a teenager from the Hitler Youth could pilot with very little training. The warplane was not so good with taking off and landing as it is considered quite a risk. The jet plane just weighed 3,660 pounds, just a tenth of a standard fighter aircraft. As it weighs so less, the warplane can lead speeds up to 520 miles per hour. The jet was also called as Sparrow in reference to small, speedy birds. The plane only had 30-minute fuel capacity, which posed a serious problem, and its structural failures lead to many accidents as well. Number 1. The world's smallest jeep. Bawar Singh from Punjab, India built the smallest jeep of the world to save his time from the traffic road. The small size of the car allows to go through narrow spaces, leaving behind the jam. He said on asking, "I designed this car to help people escape heavy jams and have an easy ride." The car comes with all the important features: rear lights, a horn, a steering wheel. But would you believe if I say that this Jeep was actually made from the tires and engines of a 125cc Honda Activa and a Maruti Suzuki scooters? Neglecting its small size, the vehicle can reach to speeds of up to 14 miles per hour. Bawar Singh's first idea for the mini Jeep came in 1975, but financial and time restraints set back his project a few years. Now he has made 18 Jeeps and doesn't cost a hefty sum of money, just under $1,000. As compared to the big Jeeps, which cost around $25,000, these small wheels can get through small roads. So that was all the 10 toy wheels with hefty engines. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to The Unleashed for freshly brewed content. Also, comment down below how do you like these smally cars with powerful engines. Until next time, keep vibing.